Guys, this is the tread on my current tire. That thing is pretty long. This is the tread on the new wheels. Huge difference. I had to throw the spare on. Got a flat last night. Might as well throw these big boys on there since we're at it. Thing's mean on 37s too. Got the new tire on there. And here's the truck itself. It actually doesn't look too bad with just the 35s on, but once I kick them out a little more out, level it, it'll look a lot better. Actually thinking about doing something with these wheels too, probably gonna make them all black. Yeah, it's on that plastic right there, huh? Time to chop some shit off. Is it rubbing on this right here? Yeah. Here's the aftermath. All the fallen soldiers. This is what happens when you throw 35s on. I just filled up 2 minutes ago, now I'm out of gas already. Oh yeah, take my money, take my money. So a little update on the wheels and tires. We got it mounted, got it balanced, put the leveling kit on it, put the spacers on it, chopped off a little bit. It's still rubbing a little bit, so probably have to go back and cut some more, but it looks good, looks nice, man, and I'm pretty happy with it. So what's up, everyone? Today we got to go get an alignment. We put a pretty big tires on there, we leveled it out. My truck needed an alignment anyways, so I figured I might as well get one, especially now. I highly recommend getting an alignment on your vehicle pretty often just to make sure that everything's running smoothly. Check this out. So I got a story for you, and this is a true story. One of my buddies, he used to be a tech at an auto shop. He told me, man, you don't know how many times I've had people come in, get brand new tires, and I would tell them, I would say, hey, I highly recommend that you get an alignment. Like soon, like now. They're like, oh no, we'll be all right. I think the car will be fine. It drives okay. And then a month later, they come back just all pissed off, like my tires are all bald. These are brand new. I just bought them. Well, yeah, it's probably because you didn't get an alignment. So get an alignment, folks. I'm telling you, it helps. You need one. I mean, unless you want bald tires sooner than you need bald tires, then don't get alignment. But it's your life. Do what you want to do. So I got the truck leveled out finally. 3 inches in the front, 2 in the back, sitting on 35-inch tires, stock wheels, and I can notice a pretty big change in the actual height compared to the stock truck height. Pretty big jump, you know, going in and out of the truck. I definitely notice it. I definitely feel like I'm sitting a little higher. I've been getting a lot of questions from, you know, coworkers and buddies and whatnot. They always ask me, man, how does a little dude like you get in and out of that big truck? I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you a life hack or a pro tip or whatever you want to call it on how to get in and out of trucks without making yourself look like a fool. And there you guys have it, a cheap, easy, lightweight solution so us shorter guys can get in and out of our trucks without making ourselves look like a fool. Hey, if you guys like trucks, cars, outdoor stuff, indoor stuff, I mean, we're all human, so you gotta like some kind of stuff, right? It'll probably be on my channel, so you wanna make sure you subscribe to it. I promise I won't disappoint. I mean, actually, I might disappoint a little bit, to be honest here, but you know, we're all humans, so it's all good. But for real, hey, do me a favor, if you like my video, please make sure to like and subscribe.